All right, so in DYNACE Global, we have 8 major ways we earn. We have a direct sponsor bonus, we have a pairing bonus, we have a key-in bonus, we have a unique upgrade bonus, a matching bonus, unilevel bonus, rank incentive, and retail profits. Now, our packages. In DYNACE Upsurge, we have 4 unique entry points. Number 1 is the Platinum, which is the lowest package, and it's for 720,000. Yes, I heard what I said. It's the lowest package. It's the lowest package. I will explain why I said it's the lowest package during the course of the presentation. The next package there, the second to the least package, is the Elite, which is 432,000. The next there is the Premium for 108,000, and the highest package in DYNACE Global is the Basic. Why did I say that? Ignorance is not an excuse in financial development. Now, with this slide, look at it. I'll start from the end to the beginning on this slide. You can see the Platinum has no limit to what it can earn a day and no limit to what it can earn a month. Now come down to the Basic. You see the Basic max out at 37,440 and 1.12 223,200 as maximum per day and per month. Now, our registration amount here, the lowest package is 720, like I said, and the highest is 36,000. Somebody might be looking at it and say, this is 20 times this. Yes, you are correct. But if we calculate the difference between this Basic here, possible monthly earning, and just the Elite, let's not even go to the Platinum, possible monthly earning. If you minus 1.1 from 14.2, you still have about 13 points, or let's just say you still have about 13 million naira differentials. So which is more expensive, to lose or to invest 720,000 and then lose over 13 million, or to invest 36,000 and then lose over just one, it's about 1 point something. Yeah. So which is cheaper? Which is easier? To invest small and lose big, or to invest big and lose small? So you can agree with me with that. So we run straight. Direct sponsor. For direct sponsorship, you earn according to your levels. When I talk about the different packages and their earnings, I usually say God will bless you according to the measure of your faith. So if your faith is as big as 36,000, for every basic that joins your business, you get 5,400. For every premium that joins your business, you get 16,200. For every early that joins your business, you get 64,800. And for every platinum that joins your business, you get 708,000. Sorry, 100. You get 108,000 as your sponsorship bonus. Now, if your faith is as big as premium, you get 35% from every registration. That's basic 6,003, premium 18,900, elite 75,600, and platinum 126,000 naira. We increased our faith to elites and we started getting 7,200 for basic, 21,600 for premium, 86,400 for elite, and 144,000 naira for platinum. And then we went to the highest level of our faith, where we started getting 8,100 for every basic that joins our business, 24,300 for every premium that joins our business, 97,200 for every elite, and 162,000 for every platinum that joins our business. We roll. Now, this is where we talk about the upgrade. For DYNACE Upsurge, for DYNACE Global, when you upgrade, you don't need to pay the whole amount of the new package. You just pay the differentials between the package you were on and the package you're upgrading to. With the illustration on our screen, This person wants to upgrade to a platinum, and the person was previously an elite. What did the company do? The company takes out 420,000 from the 720, and he just pays 288 and is upgraded to platinum. And your corresponding PVs as illustrated on the screen still comes to you, and the sponsorship bonus, pairing bonuses, and all still goes to your account. All right. In DYNACE, we have two unique wallets. We have our bonus wallet and our e-wallet. Your bonus wallet is where all our bonuses, as the name implies, are paid into. That's where we do withdrawals to our local account. And then the e-wallet is where your monies used for registrations are credited to. So once you pay money into the company account, or you send money from your bonus wallet into the e-wallet, okay, let's say from the company account first. Once you credit the company account, the company credits you the wallet equivalent into your e-wallet, which is then used for registration. We run straight to the binary. Now, for the binary here, I will use two packages to illustrate the binary for the want of time. I will use the basic and the platinum, which is the smallest and the biggest. So here we have the basic, which is the biggest package, as we agreed earlier. You sign up as a basic, you introduce one left, one right into your business. You get 5,400 as sponsorship bonus from each, and then you get what we call the binary bonus, otherwise called the pairing bonus. All right. And it is 3,240 naira. You went ahead and taught these two persons what you had done. They repeat what you did up there, and they get their sponsorship bonuses and their own pairing. But you have started building a team. So because of that, every basic activation on your left and on your right activates a pair. For you to say you have a pair of shoes, it means you have two shoes for your left leg and your right leg. So for every activation on your left and on your right that is a basic package, either done by you or by your team members, you keep getting 3,240 naira into your wallet. Remember, 36,000 naira is the basic package. As well, 36,000 naira is the ones for the products. So even if you sell the product and you key it in, you keep getting this bonus as payment for products you sold. All right, so I'll run straight down to the platinum. Good. Now the platinum package here, you remember you signed up with 720,000. You get two platinum on your left and on your right. The company pays you 162,000 for each. And then like we illustrated earlier, your pair is triggered because you now have the right leg and the left leg. And the company gives you an additional 90,000 naira as pairing bonus. Is that good or very good? All right. You went ahead and you taught your people the same thing you did. They followed their leader and they got what you got. But you now keep getting 90,000 naira for every 300 PV, which is every platinum package that joins your business. If you look to the right side of your screen, you will see the platinum illustration there. From the first month there, which is January, this is what we call the lazy man scenario. From the first month there, which is the month of January, it took you, if you choose to be lazy though, it took you the whole of January to introduce two persons into your business, and then you get a pairing bonus. This is just pairing. All right, we are not calculating sponsorship, we are not calculating anything else, just pairing. And then it takes you the whole of February for those your two persons you introduced to duplicate like you did, and you see the amount is increasing. It took the whole of March for those four to get their 8s, and the amount keeps going up. So if it takes 1 month each for each of your generation of business to introduce two persons into their network, at the end of 1 year, you must have gotten a team of over 8,000 distributors, and over 400 million naira in bonuses at the platinum package from just pairing. Yes, from just pairing. All right, so here is the unilevel bonus. Unilevel bonus is what you earn when repurchases are made in the system. When your team members introduce people that buys products, or them themselves, they buy products, or any activity of product purchase on your network triggers Unilevel. But what do you have to do to activate this bonus? You have to directly sponsor from your level 1 to level 10. One left, one right, you activate level 1 and 2. Two left, two right, level 1 to 4. Three left, three right, level 1 to 6. Four left, four right, level 1 to 8. And five left, five right, you activate level 1 to 10. The illustration from level 1 till level 10 is as it is on your screen. So you can imagine as we are building the upsurge business, you've built your team and it becomes so large where people from your level 1 to level 10 repurchase these products every month and you earn up to 65% from that. That is serious money in your pockets. All right? Leaders that already earn this bonus understand what I'm saying. Serious money. Some people are already getting in 6 digits in dollars for this bonus. We also have the matching bonus. I won't flog this. As you rank, and we do when we are doing in-house leadership training, I will do more analysis on the matching bonus. But as you can see, once you start hitting the ranks from level 1 to rank 10, you can have the opportunity to earn up to 55% of matching bonus from your level 1 to your level 10 deep in your business. This is an illustration to show you the power of unilevel income. All right. But that we won't be holding on to for today. We'll roll straight to our ranks. Roll straight to our ranks. Our leader at the beginning of the presentation told us about Crown Star, yeah? You can see the Crown Star here, over $100,000. So for our ranks here, once you start hitting the ranks, starting with the star, once you hit the star rank, it means you have earned a total of at least 3 million naira, and the company gives you 150,000 naira to say, well done, oh good and faithful servant. Take this and go enjoy your life. You move to one star, sorry, meaning you have earned $10,000 and the company gives you 350K. 2 star, meaning you earn 25 million naira and the company gives you 750,000 naira. Then you get to team star, meaning you've earned 50 million from the company, and the company says, well done, take this additional 1.250 to celebrate. It continues with nation star, crown star. As you hit those ranks, 75 million and 100 million, the company gives you 1.2. Once you cross to royal star, the company gives you 7.5 million for hitting 250 million naira bonus from the company. Amazing. And then currently the top earner globally, Mr. Ferrari, is at the next rank there, the Global Star 1, meaning he has earned over 500 million and the company gave him 12.5 million as incentive. The Global Star is next, 750, and then the icon rank is for $1 million, which is 1 billion naira. Haha, Kabaya. I don't know what you're seeing, but I'm seeing myself there already because I am ready and raring to go to fire down with the business. So that brings us to the end of today's compensation plan presentation.